Good morning, Nelson Mandela. Today is Tuesday, March 8th, 19th. My name is Wafiq.
My name is Lovejivan.
And this is United News.
Tomorrow marks the last day of school before spring break, as well as there is a Spring Pep Rally. As such, the regular schedule will be altered to accommodate the assembly. The exact times for the schedule will be presented tomorrow.
Students wanting to return for a fourth year, you must pick an application package from the Student Success Center. Applications are due tomorrow, March 20th, and are required for a fourth year.
The Calgary Hiring Fair will be held tomorrow from 1:30 to 6 p.m. in the Big 4 building in Stampede Park.
The last soccer tryouts for the junior boys will take place tomorrow at 3:45. All junior boys should make sure to attend.
Parent-teacher conferences are coming up this Thursday, March 21st from 1 to 8:30 p.m. There will be no classes for students that day. Please make sure to book an appointment with your teachers if your parents are planning on meeting them.
This year's Mandela's Coffee House is coming up. Auditions to perform in the coffee house will take place right after spring break, Monday, April 1st, and Tuesday, April 2nd, after school in the music room. Sign up for an audition slot on the music room doors today.
Marble Mall is hosting their annual Grow Town Safe on April 7th and April 6th, where graduating students can purchase a gently used grad dress for $10. A valid student ID is required for entry. Thank you and have a great day.